Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're healthy and well. So today I have popped on with two of mystery squishies. I've never seen these before in my shops that I went into Asda's. So I thought I'd pick up a couple to unbox with you today. It's a set one, so assuming they're only doing one sets, but you can try and collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different squishies, and they're actually quite weighted, and they're in this bright, vibrant, almost matches my nails on the blue packaging. So let's do this one. They kind of weigh about the same, so I don't know what to expect. Obviously something squishy. But I know you can buy like the actual toys, like teddy bear things. So let me see if I can find the opening. It's going to be a bad rip, guys, I can feel it. I know we try and get our quality rip skills. They kind of remind me of the Kinder Egg, but obviously Kinder Egg is rounder. This is more of a square. Okay, so I wasn't expecting it to be in an AHA package. Got this white. Oh my gosh. Look how adorable this is, guys. Do you know what? I thought he was going to be more like a material kind of teddy bear effect, but it's like a stress ball. I don't want to squeeze it too much just in case it goes absolutely everywhere. Look how cute this is. So I have no idea on the characters, and I actually ripped the this there. I think I've got like a baby foxy. How cute this is. So let's get into the next one. I love the vibrant packaging. It's probably what caught my eye, to be honest. Right, where is the tab? It's annoying that the tab is on the what you get to collect items. Oh well. I didn't really think about that. If you've ever seen these before and you try them out, please let me know. I wonder if this is going to be a different colour. We will see. Nope, it's the same colour. And it looks a different shape. So it looks like we've got a different one. It's got 2008 on there to 2018. 2003 to 2015. Don't know what that's about. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this one is. Oh my goodness. I thought it's a ghost at first. is it some sort of panda? So let's see. This is what I mean. It's ripped so you can't. Baby ghosty. I was right as a ghost. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. But I wouldn't want to squeeze it too hard just in case I pop them. But they are so adorable and so cute colours as well. So this is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoy them. And I'll see you again in another video. Bye for now.